This large pack of Nezyo Dry Erase Pockets gives teachers and shops a generous supply of sturdy holders that fit standard activity sheets and job tickets with room to spare. The pockets are made from thick, durable plastic with reinforced stitching, so they hold up well to daily classroom use and tougher industrial environments. Clear fronts and backs make both sides of a worksheet easy to read and write on, turning ordinary printouts into reusable dry erase surfaces that wipe clean with a soft cloth or tissue. A metal eyelet centered at the top of each sleeve makes it simple to hang these holders on hooks, machinery, or walls for quick access and better organization. By slipping worksheets or checklists into these pockets, instead of printing fresh copies, you can cut down on paper waste while keeping pages protected from dirt and splashes. Their combination of strength, visibility, and easy reuse makes these pockets especially useful for classrooms, warehouses, workshops, and any place that needs to track tasks or paperwork efficiently.